Hi, so I've got a rap vast. It's on the B minor scale, and the problem with this one is that the left hand side dies out faster than the right hand side. So I'll play two different notes on both sides, and you guys can see this one, all these three notes out here. So this one, this one have a longer sustain than this one, and this one. So I'll play these two, and then y'all can time it on the video. This one's gonna be longer by about 5 seconds. Right. So it started at about 42 seconds and went on for about 18 seconds. Let's hit this one now. Yeah, it's already dead. So about 12 or 13 seconds on this one, and about 18 seconds or so on this one. Yep, that's been the case. Even if I turn this around and play it on the other side, it's the same thing. It won't go beyond about sometime 10 seconds, sometimes, maximum of 15 seconds, depending on how hard I hit the accent. But